So by following the simple guidelines of the group plus the kind of posting guidelines, you are going to skyrocket on LinkedIn if you have the time. It does take time. So of course, if you want to add in a team member or a VA, certainly you can do that free of charge. In addition, we also offer additional services to help you grow from our in-house expertise. And I'll just run through some of those services if you want to discuss with me, or you can book some of them on the website. So some of them are here. So membership, we have 3 levels of membership. There is a standard membership. That's really for people who want to boost their own individual personal posts. That enables you to boost personal posts 7 days a week and gain more views on your personal profile. We now have a business membership. This enables you to boost business posts 7 days a week. So posts from your company page. This really is exciting. And, that really, watch my video on why you want to do that, but that really will help you get more clicks to your website, subscribers, etc. So for me, I love that. It's an amazing price. It's an entry price. We also offer managed services. Now, this depends what you want to do. It starts at $5.99. For that, we are going to do 2 to 3 posts per week for your business. We are going to send 400 invites out to your target audience. We are also going to send a follow-up message with a link to your sales magnet, your sign-up form or something. And we're going to engage on LinkedIn on your behalf. So it really is the whole shebang. It starts at $5.99. Message me if you want more details. We also have other options if you need, for example, a profile makeover. If you're new to LinkedIn, certainly discuss it with me. First of all, we can certainly do that for you. If you just want to grow your connections, because ultimately LinkedIn is all about connections. So again, this is a package for you. If you're too busy, we will guarantee 400 invites every single month to your target audience, plus follow-up messages. And we could also run campaigns to existing connections. So if you've got thousands of connections, perhaps you're running an event, we can also send out a minimum of 600 connections each month, and messages, should I say 600 messages each month, to invite them to your event or to just give them an update. And that you can actually do both together. That's very powerful. That's something that I do. That really helps fill up your sales pipeline. If you want a one-to-one coaching session for you or your team, sorry, I'm jumping all over the place, I do that as well. And again, speak to me first of all, just so I can tailor it to what you need. But typically 1 or 2 sessions with me and you will be cooking with gas, ready to go. Anything else, drop me a line. And also, if you want something specific, let's discuss it. But really, it is worth putting the time in. If you're doing LinkedIn lead generation, it's equivalent of doing 70 calls per day in telesales. I mean, to me, LinkedIn is the new telesales. An hour or 2 a day by you or somebody on your behalf is really going to build up your pipeline for the next year. Yes, of course, it takes a little bit of time, but with the Breakfast Club, you will see instant results in terms of visibility, guaranteed. So hope that makes sense. And please don't forget to subscribe to see our other videos.